Hello friends, welcome to a new video. Today we'll be discussing depth first search algorithm for a graph traversal. So we are given this undirected graph with base vertex as 0. So here we'll be traversing in a, a particular direction, say 0 if we start, and we'll check which of its adjacent node is not yet visited. So since 2 is not visited, we will visit 2. Then after 2, since 4 is not visited, we'll go to 4, and after 4, since there are no adjacent nodes, it will backtrack to 0 and then visit rest of the nodes. Let's take a look step by step how it works. So initially the base vertex is 0, so we'll mark it as true in the boolean array. So we'll hold a boolean array and we'll keep marking it true as and when we visit it. So initially the output array is filled with 0. So here we are adding 0, and then we'll check all of the adjacent nodes which are not visited from 0. So since 2 is not visited, so we'll be adding 2 to the output array and we'll be marking it as true. Similarly, after 2, since 0 is already visited, the adjacent node of 2 is 4. So 4 will be added to the output array and will be marked as true. So we have so far traversed till the last node of this path, and finally it needs to backtrack because there is no other adjacent nodes available, so it has to backtrack from 4 to 2 and from 2 back to 0. So from here again it will start a new traversal path. So in this case, since for 0 again the 2 is already visited adjacent node, so it will go to 3, and 3 it will mark it as visited, that is true. And again once it reaches 3, since it doesn't has any adjacent nodes, it has to backtrack to 0. So after this again it will check the all the remaining nodes which are not yet visited. So since 2 and 3 are already visited, so it will visit node 1 and it will mark it as true. So once it is marked true, then it will check if it has any adjacent nodes. Obviously there is nothing to visit, so it will backtrack to 0, and in this way it will come out of the loop, and we have traversed all of the nodes using depth first search algorithm. Hope you have understood, and if you wish to practice, you can find the code link in the below description, and thanks for watching.